The Trion trek is often described as a moderate trek suitable for beginners, as well as seasoned trekkers. The trail is well-defined and relatively easy to follow, making it accessible to a wide range of people. Along the way, you'll pass through dense forests of oak, rhododendron, and deodar trees, providing ample shade and opportunities to spot local wildlife. As you ascend, the landscape changes, with rocky terrain giving way to lush meadows adorned with colorful alpine flowers during the spring and summer months. The final stretch of the trek involves a series of steep switchbacks, but the breathtaking views that await at the top make it all worthwhile. Once you reach Trion, you can relax and soak in the panoramic vistas of the snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys below. Many trekkers choose to camp overnight at Trion, either in their own tents or in one of the basic guest houses available. Spending the night under the stars adds to the magic of the